Hello, everyone. Today I have an inspiring story for you. It is not only for your English listening practice, but also to remind you that success comes through hard work. There was a young man named Ethan. He lived in a small town with his parents and younger brother. His family struggled to earn enough money, but Ethan had one big dream. He wanted to own a successful bakery one day. One evening, Ethan said to his father, "I want to give our family a better life." His father smiled and replied, "Dreams are never free. If you truly want success, you must work for it." Those words stayed in Ethan's heart. Ethan noticed that people in his town had to travel far to buy fresh bread. He believed this problem could become his first opportunity. He visited a baker named Mr. Carter and asked, "Can I sell your bread? I don't have money today, but I'll pay you after I sell it." Mr. Carter looked at him carefully before saying, "You have one chance." The next morning, Ethan sold every loaf and returned with the money. "You kept your promise," Mr. Carter said. That was the beginning of Ethan's journey. Every morning, Ethan woke up before sunrise, collected bread, and sold it with a smile. His honesty and kindness earned people's trust. After a few weeks, he bought a small cart and started selling even more bread. His business slowly became stronger every day. One customer suggested, "Why don't you learn to bake your own bread?" The idea excited Ethan, but he had never baked before. Ethan asked Mr. Carter to teach him baking. At first, the old baker refused, but later he agreed. Learning was difficult. Many loaves were burned or poorly made. Several times Ethan wanted to quit, but he remembered his father's words and kept practicing. Slowly his skills improved. One day Mr. Carter smiled and said, "Your bread is finally ready to sell." Ethan began baking at home with his family's help. He added cookies and pastries, and customers loved them. Soon he rented a tiny bakery. Business was growing until a modern bakery opened nearby. Many customers started going there instead. Ethan felt worried, but refused to give up. Instead of complaining, Ethan asked customers what they wanted. He painted his shop, improved his cakes, and learned new decorating skills. Little by little, customers returned. People appreciated not only his bread, but also his positive attitude. One rainy night, a small fire damaged Ethan's bakery. Much of his equipment was ruined. For a moment, he felt hopeless. Then he reminded himself, this is another challenge, not the end. He started baking at home again, while saving money to rebuild. When people saw Ethan working without giving up, they decided to help. Some donated ingredients. Others helped repair the bakery. Even Mr. Carter encouraged him to keep going. Within a few months, Ethan reopened his bakery, better than before. The bakery became one of the most loved places in town. Fresh bread filled the streets every morning. People visited not only for the food, but also to hear Ethan's inspiring story. His dream had finally become reality. On the bakery's reopening day, Ethan thanked everyone who had supported him. Then he said, "Nothing in life is free. Success, knowledge, and respect must all be earned through hard work, patience, and persistence." His story reminds us that failure is never the end. Every challenge is another chance to grow. So never stop believing in yourself. Keep learning. Keep working. And remember, nothing is free, but with determination, almost anything is possible. The end.